What's up everyone? Welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV and today we're unboxing the PS5 controller. This is the DualSense 5 for the PlayStation 5. Let's get started. Alright, so this controller and the console itself is a little bit controversial, mainly because of the color choice. They went with a complete white, and for the most part, consoles these days have been releasing with the black color or like a piano finish, and a lot of people don't like the white. Personally, I don't mind it. It's a kind of a split decision. You either love it or hate it, but we're going to open this up and see what it looks like firsthand. First off, on the front, PlayStation, Sony branding, DualSense, the controller right here. That's how it's going to look. On the top, nothing going on there. On the one side, just PlayStation branding. On the other side, pretty much the same thing. You do kind of see some of these little lines going across, X, circle, triangle, square, kind of going across the whole box. And then finally, on the back here, we have the DualSense, haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, built-in microphone, signature comfort. It's gonna heighten your senses. That's what Sony says. So let's open this up. All right, I got it open. Probably one of the hardest boxes I've ever had to open, and we're not done yet still. All right. So basically what you're getting is a DualSense wireless controller manual for the PlayStation 5. And then inside the plastic PlayStation 5 controller. Really nice. I was surprised. I thought it was going to feel bulky, but it slims down really nice right here. All right, so we'll start from the left side of the controller here. We have the D-pad or directional buttons. Pretty simple. They're clear this time with little gray arrows inside. We have a button here on the left. This used to be the share button. It's now going to be called the create button. In the middle, we have our touchpad, and it can be pressed in for various games. You also have the light bar on the two left and right sides here. They'll shine maybe up top as well. Yeah, it looks like the light is up top as well. And then below that, you're going to have your player indicator right here. So there's actually another light just below the touchpad. On the right, we have the options button. So that's similar to the PlayStation 4. We have our action button. So square, triangle, circle, X. Give you a little sound here. Pretty good. And below that, we have our control sticks here. So R3, L3, both of them with the tactile pressing feedback. So you can press them in. To the middle, we have the speaker, so that some games can actually push out sound through that speaker for a little accent sections of the game. Below it, we have the PlayStation button, and this is an actual PlayStation logo this time, rather than just a circle with a PlayStation logo inside. Below that, we have a mute button here, and it looks like it may have a light inside, just the way that it's sort of colored. And then you have your little mute icon below it. There's a speaker here, or a microphone right there, a microphone, so it can probably pick up sound for various actions. And then we do get a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack here, which is great. So that means you can actually plug up wired with a set of headphones. Pretty much any headphones, I'm assuming, would work with this. Up top, we have the R2 button, R1, L2, R2. And the R and L two buttons here are the adaptive triggers. So what that means is for various games, you can see that you can press it down a little bit or all the way down. So think about a gas pedal. If you pressed it a little bit, you'd go slower than if you floored it. So I'm assuming that certain creators in games will be able to take advantage of the pressure that you push on this actual control or this actual button, and it'll give you a little bit more control and sensitivity based on what it does. So that's pretty cool as well. Maybe even in a Call of Duty game when you're throwing a bomb or something, you'll be able to launch it a little bit further if you hold it. Who knows how they'll set that up. Now, what I'm noticing just holding this controller is that it's a lot more comfortable for me personally, and that's because I had a problem with the DualShock 4 down here. It's a little bit bulky on the DualShock 4. You can see it's a rounded bottom. Okay, and it's pretty thick. So I've been playing NHL 21 lately, and for some reason, it's just been destroying my left palm while I'm trying to stick handle right here. And just holding this one being thinner on the bottom and kind of working its way into a thin edge here, I don't have that pressure or anything pressing on that part of my palm. I can actually control the thumbstick without having something pressing every time I was trying to go left, like so. So just personal opinion on that one. I like USB-C. That's nice that they came out with that. I wish they came with a charger in the box. You notice that many companies now aren't even providing the bare essentials with their products, but I'm assuming that if you do purchase a PlayStation 5, it'll be inside the box. But if you do want to purchase one, I'll link you to the cheapest one I can find on Amazon. It will be an affiliate link, so I'll make like a few cents if you purchase it through my link, but it'll be there. I'm going to probably check out a few accessories as well, probably a charging station. And it looks like these would be used maybe for charging our accessories right here. Looks like that's going to be the connectivity this time around, unless it does pick it up from the USB. But yeah, I'll be covering all kinds of PlayStation 5 videos, tips, tricks, how to use certain features, how to delete things, all that good stuff, just like we do with the iPhone videos here. But we'll be covering the PlayStation when it comes out. I did put my pre-order in. I hope it arrives on launch day. Fingers crossed. Let me know if you've purchased a PlayStation 5 in the comments below, or if you're going to purchase one before or after Christmas. I'm interested to know what you decided, or if you're grabbing the Xbox. I couldn't even get an Xbox. It was that hard to pick those up. I was excited because I've never owned one before. But that's it for this video. This is the DualSense 5 controller, unboxing the new PlayStation 5, PS5, whatever you want to call it, controller here. And if you enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, hopefully that did it. What is the deal here? Ow. I cannot open this thing. Why won't it open? All right, I got it open. Probably one of the hardest boxes I've ever had to open, and we're not done yet still.